Hello everyone, this is Lex Demda with you, and today we're playing Airsoft. We're in a Crips Causeway and it's a really nice family skin site. Nice weather, a lot of people, a lot of action today. How it was from beginning, watch it on this episode.
You have a mission on the helicopter. Jeep. What?
So here we are ready to go, and I have a full boot with my stuff, with all airsoft gears, bags with the guns, with everything. But if you notice, there is a bit more stuff that I need for one person because I'm going with my wife, with Dasha. That's, by the way, the place where we work with Dave. Dave, who we are? We are caravan and motorhome engineers, right? Yes. Dasha's worried a little bit about the weather, so it looks like it might be a bit rainy.
And my shoes are not waterproof.
Sorry. No, it should be alright.
No, I'm just worried, like, if it's gonna rain, then no one is gonna come to play, and it's gonna be only us.
No, I would say people gonna play anyway, so... Oh, Dave, need to get in. Oh. Who the hell are you? What do you want?
I can't believe we have exactly the same costume.
I can't believe I don't have.
That's
Oh, by the way,
weird.
I have the Butch camera too. Maybe next
But
time.
why you didn't wear it today?
Because цельняш. Yeah. Alright, we got a bit problems again with the navigations because to find this site is not easy. We went to the motorway. On the motorway it shows a point in there where the tank is, but actually the entrance to the site is a bit tricky. You need to go on a different roads, go under the bridges, follow through the fields and forests, and finally get in there. But we did it. Team!
Yay!
Hey! A bit delay, but whatever. Okay, we're gonna go inside now and see what's gonna be in there. One is orange, one is green, yeah? Okay, so I'm gonna put two cameras. One camera I'm gonna put on my helmet, and this camera is gonna be direct to where I'm looking. And another one, I got a Runcam Scope 4. It's gonna be straight on my rifle. So in ideal world, we can see the zoomed picture of where I'm shooting. Am I hitting someone? And we can find the cheaters after that. They're gonna be stars of the YouTube.
Marshall! Marshall! Thank you! Where do we go? What do we do? Who we shoot?
I don't know, I got shot already a million times.
There?
No, there.
Me too. Not million, couple, but
No,
still.
I take.
Yeah.
Machine gun next game.
Let's go there.
Are you tired?
Yes.
Why are you tired?
Because it took a lot of energy out of me. Because I'm learning how to play airsoft. So I'm trying to see where I am, what do I have to do when we are playing, and yeah, it's quite nice. I really
you like
enjoy
it?
it. Yeah, I really like it. So I
You
think I'm
find it
gonna
as a sport or as a fun?
No, well, I don't think it's a sport. I mean, it's like an active fun. Yeah, I think it's just like activity, you know, really high, kind of intensive activity, obviously. because you have to wear, certain clothes, and then you have to wear something on the top, all the ammunition, and then you have to carry a gun, which is heavy. So you're not exactly wearing, light, sporty clothes, and then you kind of sweat, and it's hot, and you're like,
Would you recommend to other girls, your friends, to come and play with us for relationship building? I don't know, kind of building relationships.
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely.
With the boyfriends, yeah?
Yeah, but I don't really play with you on the field because you're so fast.
I was missing.
You are
She's
just
always
tired.
missing. Look, let's run away. Oh, where's Dasha? Dasha's gone, and then you on the other side of the field, and I like, Dasha!
Headshot, Dasha, you alright? You okay? Oh. Sure. Dasha got a headshot.
And I'm always like, I have like a quiet tactic. So I'm like really quiet, and I'm like looking for like 5 minutes. So to see whether they're like actually there. And then I'm kind of waiting for them to come out, and then I kill them.
Enemy, in front. Shoot. You funny bunny.
Share his cake with you. Make them share his cake with him. Oh, there we go. Well done, Tom. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Just light it, just light it. Just like that. Sick. Oh, I got some. Did you got some too, yeah? Dead man! Or the woman?
Dead man coming out!
That woman coming out.
Dead man coming out!
Have a look who it is. Oh my god, there's so many of you. Oh my god, she's so angry. What?
Oscar! That was the best death I've ever fucking seen.
And the Oscar goes to...
Jesus!
You alright, mate? Yeah. This girl bloody went over you, isn't it? When he was in sight, yeah. He says, dead man coming out, or the girl is coming. And he goes, and he like, woman, the joke. And you're, yeah, my goodness, I'm like, whoa. It's fine, mate. It's just a game. Take it as a game. Yeah, don't take personal. Never, ever. You're doing well, mate. Okay. Help! Medic! Так. Сергей, стой рядом, да, двоечки, Серег. Стоп! Thank you! Right, guys. Casey, come here. Right, so we got the fuel dump, whatever this place is called, down all the way down this path on the left. Got the kill house. Where we are now, for a second. We're down here. All right. Half of us take the first 2 points with these two as the smoke bearers. Me and this guy are going to go with the other half and take these two. All right? Yep. Here. Ah, too expensive. Behind the bush! No, behind that bush! Oh, that was the best ever game for today. Absolutely amazing, absolutely brilliant. That was a proper airsoft. Now That was really nice last game. Was enough of action, there was enough of shooting, enough of medics, and my god, if Crips goes, we can do this kind of games every single game. I would bloody live there. Just live there and do not leave that side. Never, ever, 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 ever. Whew. That was amazing, absolutely amazing. Smashing. I like it. It was a really nice game. Sorry, I'm so tired, guys. Keep watching. Leave your feedbacks, leave your comments. Don't forget about like and subscription, of course. If you want to see more videos about different sites, about different airsoft, about different reviews, just let us know, write everything. And I'll see you then. Guys, I'm so tired. I'm gonna go home and relax. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good time. Bye bye.